Hi, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Dwayne. Welcome to our channel.
Yeah, welcome to our channel. We wanted to share because over the last year, we've been participating in Swedish Death Cleaning.
Yes.
We didn't know what it was. We kind of started it, and then we found some videos on YouTube about it and thought it was a great experience. We've decided to become slow travelers and just knew we needed to downsize.
Lots of downsizing.
We have a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house in Phoenix, and our kids are older and they don't live with us. And so we knew we had a lot of stuff, and Slow Travel we decided that was our next goal. And our definition of Swedish death cleaning is getting rid of everything.
Everything.
We feel like it's helping our children not have a burden later on down the road. Like when we pass away, they won't have to go through every single piece of furniture and every single picture that we have.
It's not because we've labeled them as well. So there is some memories in those, so they know who those people are or who had that item that was special. But a lot of the items we just took pictures of and got rid of so that we wouldn't have to store them.
Mm-hmm. So that's kind of our plan, is to get rid of everything. We are using the money that we make off of this by selling everything to supplement our slow travels. And we're still in the process of selling everything, but we've sold a lot of our big ticket items. Right now we're at about $18,000 and we still have some furniture to go. We want to be very transparent about what we've sold and how much we're making, because we are using this to fund our slow travel experiences. Over the years, we have been fortunate to inherit a lot of stuff.
Stuff is right. Stuff, not money, stuff.
For example, I am an only child. Both of my parents have passed away and they had a grandfather clock. So we have a grandfather clock. I also have another grandfather clock that my grandmother left us, which was very generous. But we have two.
But who needs two?
Yeah, who needs two? And our children don't want them. So we're taking the time to get rid of those. Let it go.
You know, there's a lot when you have 5 sets of china and a Christmas china.
Yes, we have a lot of china, and our daughter's looked at it and she's decided to pass on it. So that part has felt good. One, we're looking at these pieces, we're sharing the story with our children, and they can decide if they want it or not, but at least they know the stories.
Right.
The part also felt good of just sort of cleansing and finally like being able to walk through our garage and not feel, and we feel like we can leave our garage door open and not be embarrassed
by all the stuff.
All the stuff. The parts that have felt bad are getting rid of things that our kids don't want. There's a few things that I've tried to talk our kids into keeping, and Dwayne has had to say, let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
Yeah. The other part that has been hard is we have purchased a lot of stuff over the years.
So much stuff.
Like
unnecessary.
Yeah, like why did we spend that much money on things? Like we should have been saving it. We don't need 3 waffle makers.
Nope.
We have one for Valentine's Day and one for Star Wars because we all need these, right?
Who doesn't need a Star Wars and Valentine's Day waffle maker?
So yeah, we wasted a lot of money, and it's kind of embarrassing on some of the poor choices that we've made.
Don't judge us.
Along the way, like Dwayne mentioned, we did take pictures of things. So if we had to get rid of it and it kind of hurt,
we made sure we took a picture. It was something that was very sentimental to us and didn't want to put it in storage, but it was not going to be of use to anyone. We took a picture of it.
We digitized all of our photos. So that way, yes, hard copies are nice, but by having a digital copy, we can give it to our son and our daughter, and they both have it. So we did take the time to label it, preserve it, organize it, and give it to both of them just on a really easy little fob that they can keep with them.
They could lose.
So again, we just kind of wanted to share our experience. We're using this money to supplement our slow travels, and we'll share it a little bit more in detail, but we are renting our house.
We got about $2,500 a month coming in there, so that's not enough to slow travel.
It's paid for, and we have to pay taxes on it. We have to pay a little bit in repairs each month that we're kind of putting away for it. And we do have a homeowners association. Some of that we're sort of passing on to the renters. This money that we are making from selling everything and doing Swedish Death Cleaning, we are using to supplement our slow travel.
Which gives us about $4,000 a month for the year So if you would like and subscribe, if you like what you're listening to, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It helps us get more onto YouTube. We'd like to stay going longer, but who knows? So
Who knows if we
thank
can
you.
make it.
Help us out some.
And if you've done the Swedish death cleaning or done it, we would love to hear, like, if you enjoyed it, if you appreciated it.
Yeah.
I am having
concerns?
fears. I'm scared. I'm scared
We're
we are
both
going to
scared.
fail and not make our slow travel for a year and have to buy everything back.
Come back and buy the Star Wars waffle maker along with the Valentine's walnut.
So yeah, please subscribe and we look forward to sharing.
See you on our next adventure.